Hi first grade! Today we're doing packet 3, day 3, and our story is what you need to play soccer. Do you want to play soccer? You will need the right clothing. You will need cleats. Cleats are sneakers with small tips on the bottom. The tips are made of rubber or plastic. They look a little like tacks. These tips help you run without slipping. You will need plastic shin guards. Shin guards cover the lower part of your legs. If another player accidentally kicks you, he or she will hit the shin guard instead of your leg. You will need a team shirt. All members of the same team wear shirts of the same color. That helps players find their teammates. Now grab a ball. You are ready to play soccer. So we're going to answer our questions. The number one is, what do shin guards cover? Is it A, the lower parts of our arms, B, the lower parts of our legs, or C, your hands and feet? Now, if we're not so sure about something, we can go back to the story. So let's go back to the story and find out. Plastic shin guards. Shin guards cover the lower part of your legs. So is that A, B, or C? It's going to be choice B. So why don't you go ahead and, circle choice B. Number 2, what does this text describe for us? The text describes the clothing that you will need to play soccer. The text describes the rules of soccer, or the text describes the best places to play soccer. So let's look here. It says cleats, shin guards, and shirt. I think that we can say that that's the clothing or what we would wear to play soccer. So the choice is going to be choice A. Number 3, to play soccer you will need to wear cleats so that you can run without slipping. What does this information tell us about soccer? People play soccer on ice, which is very slippery. It is easy to slip and fall when you are playing soccer, or people don't get hurt when they're playing soccer. I think we can automatically rule out C, so you can go ahead and cross that one out. And do we play soccer on ice? Let's go back to the picture and look at the picture and see where they're playing. Does this look like they're playing on ice? No, so we're going to say that the choice is not A either. We're going to circle choice B. That it's easy to slip and fall when playing soccer. And number 4, what is what you need to play soccer mostly about? So what is the story mostly about? The rules of soccer, shin guards, or the clothes that you need to play soccer? We kind of already answered this one, so let's go back up to 2. We said that the text describes the clothing. So it's also going to be letter C, the clothes that we need to play soccer. And number 5, what do soccer players wear to help them find their teammates? So they already started our sentence for us. To help them find their teammates, soccer players wear. What do you wear when you're on a team? Team shirts, right? Or jerseys. So they started our sentence so we don't have to have a capital letter, but what do we have to have in this? A period. Good. And number 6, what did you learn from what you need to play soccer? So let's start our sentence with a capital letter. I learned. What are some things that we learned? What was this story about? What did we learn about? What type of things? What things we have to wear? What we need to wear when playing what game? Soccer. Good. And number 7, the last question. Use information from the text to explain how the right clothes can help you play soccer. So we're going to start our sentence. The right clothes can help me play soccer by, what do our shin guards do? They make us They make our shins what? Safe. And our cleats make sure that we don't fall, so that's making us safe. And the shirt is just for fun. So what is some things that we can say? That the right clothes can help me play soccer safely, right? By making sure that we have our cleats and our shin guards is making sure that we're not going to get hurt. Now this one you're going to do, draw a picture of a soccer player. It can be you playing soccer, it can be a friend playing soccer, anybody playing soccer. I want you to draw that picture. And today for math is, we're going to start with number 1. So we're going to count the tallies. Remember that group, when there's a cross, always has 5. And what is this word? 1. Good. So now this is our pattern, right? So circle, circle, triangle, circle, circle, triangle, circle. What's next? Circle. And then what? Triangle. Now it's rectangle, triangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle, triangle. And then what comes next? And rectangle. Now we need to draw 8 legs on a spider. So if there are 2 sides of a spider, how many legs are going to go on each side? 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. And draw 12 legs on a caterpillar. So we have 2 sides. So we have to have how many on each side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good. So now our word over here is the word learn. And we need to write the letter that is first. So what's the first letter? L. And now we're finding the letter that's third. So 1, 2, 3. So letter A is going to be the third letter. Now we're writing the missing number. 1, 2, blank, 3, 4, 5. Or, sorry, I said it. What is the number? 3. And missing number here. 5, 6, 7, blank, 9. What comes between 7 and 9? 8. You guys did an excellent job. Remember, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me at any time. I miss you bunches. Bye!